MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Check out this super clean 2007 Western Star 4900 for sale at MHC Denver, a 475 horsepower, 18-speed, 42-inch flat roof sleeper. This truck sits at 650,000 on the miles. Built for every job with a vocational frame, engineered for severe service applications like construction, logging, heavy haul trucking, and oil fields. This truck's got 24/5 standards with polished wheels all around. It's equipped with dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. Check out your engine, a Cat C15 with that Fuller 18-speed transmission. Let's go inside. The interior, very well maintained. Here's a look at your sleeper. Tons of room for you. And your dash, it shines after a comprehensive detail job. If you want this truck, a 2007 Western Star 4900, come and get it. Call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.